Clair de Lune is a beautiful piece that everyone wants to play. And even though it sounds quite easy, it's actually quite difficult. Most students struggle with the rhythm and they struggle with finding the melodic line. Today, I will teach you how to figure out the rhythm, and I'll talk a lot about voicing the melody, and I'll show you which notes are important to bring out. First of all, let's start with the time signature of 9/8. That means 9 counts per measure. An eighth note gets 1 count. And we say 9 counts per measure. That doesn't mean 8.5 or 7. It means 9 counts. One of the biggest problems that I see students do is they don't hold notes for their full duration. So be very careful with that. One of the things that will help with that is counting out loud. You won't cheat your beats if you're counting out loud. I'm going to skip right over to measure 3 because that's where the problems start with the rhythm. Here we have the first 3 notes are regular beats, 1, 2, 3. Now we have a polyrhythm. We're going to fit 2 notes into 3 beats. 4, 5, and 6, and again here, 7, 8, and 9. So I'll play it in context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's skip down to measure 13, which we have the same rhythm problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. If we skip down to measure 19, we have that throughout the entire measure. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here it's regular counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. As you listen to that, you can see those eighth notes are very even when you count it like this. My daughter, Heather, uses the Speak Beat metronome with her students, and she loves it. I would recommend that you download this app. It will do the counting along with you so that you know that you're staying even. Now we're going to identify the melodic line in this piece. You can identify it by seeing the double stems on the notes in the right hand. You have a dotted eighth note, but alongside of it is a quarter note, same note. You also see the G sharp, which is an eighth note, but it's also a 16th note. When it's double stemmed like that, it tells you this is important. This is an important note to bring out, which is, in this case, the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hear how I'm bringing out the melodic line. In the left hand, you also have a dotted quarter note. That tells you he wants that to be sustained, and it's also an important note. Now bring out that dissonance right there. That's very important. We have another one coming up right after it, an E and an F sharp. Dissonance is very important in music. It brings out tension in the music. You can feel it. I would start this section first by playing the melody so that you know what the melody line is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. then practice a little counter melody underneath that. Be very aware of how important it is to voice all these chords. So work hard on putting your arm out behind your fifth finger to get that beautiful voicing on the top. I hope you'll join me in my full course on this piece so you can learn to pedal, overcome common technical challenges, and tackle the key signature, along with discovering some interpretation ideas to maximize the beauty of this piece. I have taught Clair de Lune hundreds of times, and I truly believe that this course will help you play and perfect this beautiful piece. Make sure to watch this next video of me performing Clair de Lune. I have found that most students cut their notes short because they feel uncomfortable holding them for the full duration. I encourage you to play along with me a lot in this video. It will help you with your timing, and it will help you to create a beautiful atmosphere in this piece.